Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We have a small size, big eyes spy cam or a mini camera, Wi-Fi connect, cloud service, night vision, motion detection, security cam, live cam, mini cam, pet cam, kid cam too. You can add that in your kids' room, make sure they're safe, or your Airbnbs, your shed, you name it, this would be a good one to get. We'll test it out. Cloud service, Wi-Fi connect, we charge, wide angle shooting, that's a good thing. Motion, night vision. JavisCam.net. This is a B7 or B5. B5. So this is what you get. You get the little holder, got the sticky, and it does swivel. So you can mount it wherever you want it. Got the screws. Got the USB cable. Bada boom. And we got this camera right here. Make sure I got it on the right way. Yep. You got the SIM or the TF card spot, USB, on and off, reset key. Look at this. Really nice. Super lightweight too. Really impressed. It's like the James Bond stuff, you know? We're going to do probably without the mount. Don't really need it right now. Not sure where I'm going to... Oh. Okay, there are grooves. There we go. See, you can hear it like that. Full swivel. Off the hizzle. And then now we're going to have to download the app. We're going to have to find the app. Should take a second. There's a QR code, Android, and Apple. U-Box. Alright. Get on the app. U-Box. There it is. Install. So the app is good. You don't have to worry about no viruses or anything like that. And no privacy concerns either. So everything is safe and secured. So, oh, that was quick. That was like 3 seconds. Agree. Allow. YummyBazzaar. I thought this was you. Okay, United States. Let me log in. Register. Hold on. Alright guys, here we go. We got it all registered. They'll send you emails and all that good stuff, so check your spam or your inbox primary emails. So either or, check them out. Here we go. Let's turn this thing on. Should be a simple switch right here. Bada boom. We got the red light going. Ooh. Saw that. Add a device. Let me show you guys like this while using the app. Allow. Whoa. Set up Wi-Fi.
Power on your camera and check that the blue indicator LED is blinking. Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address, enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G.
Hold on. Hi guys, this is what I'm going to do.
Of about 4 inches until you hear the confirmation.
I think it worked. It's like robot noise communicating.
Camera installed successfully.
Alright.
Fully charge the camera at first use.
Online, that's a good spot right there. Whoa. Look how clear this is. Let's go through this. Brutus. So easy. This is nice. For a little camera. Really clear. So SD, you can record. I'll use it. Hello. 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 Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh, you could change your voice, I think. Hello. Hello. Ah. Well, you can take photos. And I'll go to your album. And then click on that. You can switch it from, it's on HD right there. We could do scene mode, night mode. We'll switch it to night mode. I'll shut off the light. LED is on. Image flip, you can flip the camera. It all depends on how you install it. That's when you're going to need to, flip it. Firmware, we'll check. It's up to date, so that's good. Scene mode, cloud cam. Arming setting. I'm not sure what that means. I might as well check it out. We got a few minutes to kill. And we go. Try that again. It'll take a second. So you can set your arming right here, different times and end. So Monday through Friday, say your work hours, after hours, stuff like that. So if you go Friday, you get off of work, you close your store down at 8 p.m. or so. You can have it set from 8 p.m. till 7 a.m. And then, just to better protect your business, So we got everything, storage, cloud, and go check the cloud. They got free trials. Then you could do the subscription. There we go. Here's the night vision. I'll flip the camera and shut off the lights. Ooh, spooky. Now you can see where the camera's at. Here we go. Oh, who's that guy? I don't know. There's the globe. You can see the camera right there. So yeah, really cool. I think I showed everything that needs to be shown, And you can still have it this way facing. I think that's lights on and off, yeah. If you wanted to save batteries. But I'll have the lights on. Give me a second to load it up. There we go. There we go. Now you can see. We'll give it a second to, and you should get notifications if you do have it set to that. So it'll just register it to your phone or your tablet. Yeah, see, yeah, I got the alert. Cam, activity. See? Really cool. Yeah, definitely check them out, guys. I'll leave the links down below. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend. And you're in the dark. Uh-oh. There we go. You guys have a good weekend, and take it easy out there. Alright, guys. See ya.